Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to delete your Wally account. Whether you're switching to a new app, decluttering your digital life, or just need a fresh start, this step-by-step tutorial will have you sorted in no time. First off, a quick note. Wally is that handy budgeting app that helps you track expenses and manage your finances. But if it's no longer serving you, deleting your account is easier than you might think. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Make sure you're logged into your Wally account on the app or website. If you can't remember your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it quickly. Once you're in, head to the Settings menu. You can usually find this by tapping the profile icon in the top right corner or by scrolling to the bottom of the dashboard. Step 2. In the Settings section, look for Account or Privacy Settings. This is where you'll find options related to your profile. Scroll down until you see something like Delete Account or Deactivate Account. It might be labeled differently, so keep an eye out. Wally wants to make sure you're certain before you proceed. Now, Step 3. When you select the Delete option, you'll probably be asked to confirm your decision. This is to prevent accidental deletions, so read any prompts carefully. You might need to enter your password again or provide a reason for leaving. It's all part of their security measures. Once confirmed, Wally will start the process, which could take a few minutes. Before you go ahead, here's a pro tip. Double-check if there's any data you want to save first. Wally might offer to export your transaction history or budgets, so take a moment to back that up. Also, remember that deleting your account is permanent, so if you're on the fence, consider just pausing your account instead. And there you have it. That's how you delete your Wally account hassle-free. If you run into any issues, check the Wally Help Center or drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.